SCCM, System Center Configuration Manager, also known as Config Manager. So friends, in this video I will show top 10 SCCM, System Center Configuration Manager interview question and answer. So first you see this video and you like this video or question and want more, so please mention on comment box section. After that I will make more video related SCCM or interview question and answer. So before starting the video friends, just I am tell you some basic about SCCM. Formerly System Management Server, short form is SMS, is a system management software product developed by Microsoft for managing large group of computers. So friends, currently SCCM latest updates is 1806 for configuration manager. Current branch short form is CB is available as an in console update. So apply this update on sites that run version 1706, 1710 or 1802. And just I'm telling you about 1806 current branch release date. So 1806 current branch release date is July 2018. So friends, one more update have for you that in the coming day I will upload more video related to SCCM on our YouTube channel, which is named Technology Up. So if you are interested for this topic, SCCM related topic, please do not forget to subscribe for updates and mention your feedback, suggestion and others on comment box section. So I will upload video related like how to make cache server, how to make primary side, how to make secondary side and SCCM OS deployment step by step, and making packaging about boundaries, application deploy, SCCM client push, how to migrate from SCCM 2012 to current branch 1806, SQL server installation, all details step by step. So please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel, or please give your feedback suggestion on comment box section. So let's start. So first question is that what is SCCM? Answer is SCCM is a System Center Configuration Manager. System Center Configuration Manager, formerly System Management Server SMS, is a system management software product by Microsoft for managing large group of Windows-based computer system. So this is SCCM. Just I'm showing SCCM console, so you can see on the screen SCCM console. So you can see on the front main page of the SCCM, here the device here will be show. So next question is that what service configuration manager provide? So answer is the remote control, patch management, software distributions, operating system deployment, OSD, network access protections, hardware and software inventory. So these services are provided by SCCM, Microsoft SCCM. So let's go for question number 3. What are the boundary in the SCCM console? So boundaries are the very important. So boundary are the location on your network that contain the device that you want to manage. Type of boundaries: IP subnet, Active Directory sites, IP version 6 prefix, IP ranges. So just I'm show where you can see the boundary, where you can create the boundary. Just open the SCCM console, go to select administrator options and hierarchy configurations, and you just see boundaries. So just right click and create boundary. So when you create the boundary, you can see on the type option. So when you click on the type option, you can see IP subnet, Active Directory sites, IP version 6 prefix, IP address range. So these are the boundary you can create on your SCCM console. So boundaries are the very important in the SCCM. So let's go for question number 4. So if you please do not forget to like this video or mention your feedback on comment box section. So let's start for question number 4. How to check SCCM client is installed or not? So answer is the go to the client machine and select control panel option, or you can see the config manager icon, and you can click on the start option and search system manager. Okay, just I'm showing, click on the start option, go to the control panel. When you click on the control panel, so lots of icon will be show. So here you can see the configuration manager icon. It means configuration managers means SCCM client is installed on your system. So you can just right click on that and open, or when you open, so you can check all details like site code. So when you click on the site, you can see the site code, which site code is currently taking or sync by your client. Okay, so second, just click on the start options and search software. So you can see the software center icon. Okay, so let's move for question number 5. So question number 5 is that how many type of sites are there in the SSM 2012? So answer is the CAS, Center Administrator Site. CAS is the Center Administration Sites. The Central Administration Sites coordinate inter-sites data replication across the hierarchy by using Configuration Manager database replications. It also enables the administrations of hierarchy-wide configurations for client agent discovery and other operations. Use this site for all administrations and reporting for the hierarchy. Second, primary side manages the client in well-connected network, and third is secondary side control content distribution for client in remote location across links that have limited network bandwidth. So there are the sites, and cache is a very important. If you have large network or large different, your company is different country, in the different country, so you must be make a cache server. So what are the number of the clients supporting per sites? So cache 7100000 desktop computer that run Windows, Unix and Linux, and 25000 Mac device approx. Okay, so primary site 15000 total clients for child primary site, and 175000 total clients for standalone PS. PS means primary site. S site means secondary sites 15000 PC person computer approx. A cache site supported up to 25 child primary sites. Each primary site support up to 250 secondary sites. So they are the scenario for the client supported per site. So this is question number 6. So let's move for question number 7. So question number 7 is the what is site? So answer is that a site is the core role of the configuration manager. Depend on your organization's requirement. The hierarchy may be as simple primary sites. Large enterprise may require starting with cache site and at least one primary site. So this is the site. Site role is a very important on the cache on the SSM. Okay. So let's move for question number 8. So in coming day I will make more video related SSMs, like how to make primary site, how to create secondary site. So question number 8, the how to check SSM server versions. Answer: open SSM console and click on the left on top and select about configuration manager. So I will show on the SSM console. Okay, just you can see the pic on. Now I can show on the SSM console. So just open the SSM console. So just open the SSM console. So when you open the SSM console, it will take few seconds for connecting your site. Okay, or just I'm showing on the screen, so it will take few seconds. Okay, so just I'm open the SSM console, is connecting to site database. Okay, so when SSM console is properly open, so just you can see on the left side, on top side, just click on here and you will see many options. So just select about configuration manager option. So when you click on the about configuration manager option, you can see what version is going on your server. SSM, you can see your SSM versions. You can see System Center 2012 configuration manager service pack 2 console versions or site versions. Okay, so you can check. And now question number 9 is what is the client discovery method? Answer: the Active Directory forest discovery. So this method discover network locations that are configured in Active Directory. It can convert those locations into boundaries for use throughout your hierarchy. Discover Active Directory sites and subnet, and then create configurations manager boundaries based on those network locations. So Active Directory system discovery, Active Directory group discovery, Active Directory user discovery, here bit discovery, inventory agent.log. It is enabled by default, and after every 7 days it will keep sending I'm alive message to the site server. It's discover enabled by the client. Rest of the discover held at the server. So where you find these discover options on SSM console, I will show. Let's go on the SSM console, or I will show and just open the SSM console and I will show how you can check discover enable discovery, system discovery, Active Directory discovery, or group discovery, user discovery enable or not. So just come on the SSM console, just open the SSM console, just click on the administrator options. When you click on that, so you will see many options. Okay, just click on that. Okay, you can see on the screen option. So when you click on that, you will see the many options in overview. Under overview, okay, so just select hierarchy configurations. Okay, so when you click on the hierarchy configuration extract, or here you can see the discovery method option, discovery method. So when you click on the discovery method, I'm sorry, okay, so discovery method. So you can see the Active Directory forest discovery, Active Directory forest discover. This is the, you can see on the screen, Active Directory forest discovery 2. Okay, once is the cache server discovery and second is the primary. So you can see on the site code IND or DLI. IND is the cache server or DLI is the primary site. So just right click, double click or right click on property, you can enable from here. Okay, so just right click and double click or go to the property options, you can enable from the discover from here. Okay, you can select from browse your domain name from here, and you can enable or you can give the, so from here you can enable your discovery method from in SSM console. So let's move for question number 10. What is SMS provider? The SMS provider is a very important. The SMS provider is a WMI. This is short form. Full form is a window management instructions provide that allow both read and write access to the configuration manager site database. So let's see where you can see the SMS service, okay, on the SSM console. So just I'm going to go to the SSM console or server, or I will show. Okay, so friends, just open SSM console. So it will take few seconds for connecting your database. Okay, so again go to the administration, okay, or select site configuration option, site configurations, and click on the site option. So when you click on the site option, you can see the site, which site you are creating. Just right click and go to the property option, or when you click on the property option, you can see on the downside SMS provide locations, SMS service. That's right, this is the SMS provides locations. So any sites, just right click on property, go to property, and you can see, or it will take few seconds or depend on your some system configurations. Okay, so you can see the SMS provide locations. So friends, these are the top 10 questions on for SSM related. If you like this video or you want more questions or what I need to improve from my side, so please mention on comment box section. I will definitely work on your questions, okay, and I will make improve, because this is my first video for SSM related. So in coming video I will make more improvement on for SSM related. Okay, so please do not forget to subscribe or comment or like this video and share. Okay, and you are interested for the SSM related topic, so please subscribe, because coming day I will upload more video. So thanks for watching.